Hey y'all, what's up? It's your girl Glenda, and we are back with another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. I want to welcome everybody who is new to the channel. Welcome to the G Squad. And if you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you click the notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a video. To those that keep coming back, my original OG G Squad up. Anyway, thank y'all for continuing to come back. On today's menu, y'all know Super Bowl is coming up. So on today's menu, I'm doing some appetizers. This appetizer is going to be macaroni salad. Now, macaroni salad can be a side dish, it could be an appetizer, however you want to put it. So right here, I'm chopping up some bell peppers and I've got some onion. This is like half of an onion right here that I have diced up. I'm trying to get it as small as you can because some people don't want to just be biting off into onions and stuff like that and bell peppers. But what we're also going to do, I've got some celery right here. I've got 3 stalks of celery that's been washed and everything. Probably won't use all of this, but yeah. And then on the stove, I have some water, salted water, already ready to go, getting ready to come to a boil for me to add the macaroni. As the macaroni goes, we just have a 1-pound bag of macaroni. Okay, so as I said, we've got some chopped up bell peppers, we've got some onions here, we've got celery, we got a pound of macaroni that we're going to put on the stove back here. We got the water, salted water, already getting ready to come to a boil to add the macaroni to it. We're going to cook those until they're just al dente. We don't want them to be overdone to where they're mushy, because that ain't the business for macaroni salad. And yeah, so let me get going, prepping all this, get this all together, and we'll be back to show you how to put this thing together. Alright, so we are back. We have boiled our macaroni, which are actually over there draining and cooling off. You want to make sure that they are nice and cooled off before you begin handling them. But in the meantime, what we're going to do is make our sauce that goes with it, you know, the creaminess. We're going to bring in the creaminess. So for the creaminess of it all, I'm going to go in with some mayo. And I'm just using a tablespoon here, and I'm eyeballing it. We're gonna do, and I have some large elbow macaroni. I got the wrong elbow macaroni, so definitely it's probably going to, and they have the little ridges on them, so they're definitely gonna soak up a lot of this moisture. So you want to make sure you have enough, and even when it's being used, like this will be refrigerated overnight. This is Miracle Whip. I'm mixing the two, and I'm just gonna put a couple of tablespoons of Miracle Whip. Even when you are mixing, even when you are, we have those cooling off, and we're making more of the sauce, the dressing that goes on there. But even in the morning or tomorrow, for this, in this instance it's going to be for Super Bowl, I still may take another spoonful of mayo to kind of and put it in there and stir it to kind of loosen things up and give it that that creaminess, bring that creaminess back to it. So yeah, that's what I was trying to say. So we've got some sweet relish here. I'm going with a heaping tablespoon of that and a half. Again, everything is to taste. And I've got quite a bit of, give this a stir right quick. Quite a bit of, we've got some celery. We got half of a bell pepper and probably half of an onion in here, right here. Celery, onion, bell pepper. And I really only have 1 rib of celery. So if you, again, do it to taste. If you feel like you want a little more celery because you like a little more celery, then baby girl, put you some more celery in there. but I'm going in with this whole little trilogy right here. These are for, this is for the Super Bowl, so y'all know I got a bunch of teams. However, I'm a Tom Brady fan. I know, don't get on me. I'm a Tom Brady fan. So now that Tom Brady's with the Buccaneers, I'm a Tom Brady fan. Okay? I'm a Tom Brady fan. So now, the ever controversial sugar is so controversial. Everybody's like, oh, you don't put sugar in there, you don't put sugar in there. To cut some of the acidity of this, I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. Your kitchen your way, my kitchen my way. Let's add a little bit of sugar. Boiled eggs. I have about 4 boiled eggs right here that I've already, as you can see, broke up. And some people use it in their macaroni salad and some people don't. I'm one of those people who uses it in my macaroni salad. It's all going in. So we are back, you guys, with our Super Bowl appetizer, macaroni salad. As I told you guys, I picked up the wrong bag of elbow noodles and I did large noodles. So this is what the noodle looks like. There it is. So those little ridges are gonna really soak up our liquid that we put together. So what we're gonna do, because it's gonna soak it up, I'm just gonna pour a portion of it right now. It tastes really good. And we just wanna mix that up and we'll pour the rest in a minute. I don't wanna do too much too soon. Now what I did to help the cooling process is I did rinse these off with some cool water briefly, you know, and then just kind of take my hand and break them up. I'm gonna get a fork and I'm gonna taste it so I can see what else it needs. You want to taste your food. Taste your food, people. Taste your food. I'm gonna try to get a little bit of everything here. That's good. That's a good macaroni salad. However, I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, and I'm gonna add a teensy bit more salt. And for some reason, I'm feeling it, y'all. Just a little bit of smoked. Like I'm feeling like I need a little bit of smoked paprika in here. Just like a little bit. Just something to kind of take it right over the edge. Again, if this is, you can stop right here if this is good for you. I'm going a little overboard, a little over the edge, but it actually has a very good flavor. Mix it well. You can add a little garnish on here. We're gonna put some parsley on here just for a garnish. Okay, so here is my version of macaroni salad. Again, some people take some shredded cheese and put it throughout and mix it up and stuff. You can do that to your own personal plate. I know I probably will. And here's what it looks like. Got it? So make sure that you make this. It's a side dish. It's an appetizer. Make sure that you make it, and if you do, make sure that you tag me on Instagram at Whatcha Cookin Glenda _1. Let me see how you made yours. And if you'd like to see more dishes like this, make sure that you click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that you're updated every time we upload a video. We will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Click that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so that you're uploaded every time we updated every time we upload a video. Blooper! We will see you next time on Whatcha Cookin Glenda.